English Quality Circle Matara that we had a big effort to train up our student monks to preach Dhamma in English. There that our teachers also had a big commitment to train their students to preach in Dhamma, and in certain way that we could see as with successful monks that who can preach Dhamma in English, student monks, and that it is highly appreciable. Meanwhile, just I thought to remind you, then we can see in some Pirivenas a drawback of doing such sort of things due to the different hardships. Sometimes the students are in very grassroots level, therefore that they have given up the attempt to train up such sort of students. But here, majorly that I can see that we can't give up reasoning the different things. First of all, that we will have to identify their levels, and as far as possible that you can simplify the tasks to them. The simplification is much important. Before they preach Dhamma, they should have the certain arrangements. Certain arrangements means the things they want to preach should be well understood by both parties, the teachers and the students. Otherwise, at once, just taking a piece of writing, and it is hard to practice continuously. That's why when you take a certain piece of writing, Dhamma, then that you especially offer them the certain keywords, the important parts to all those students first. Then give sometimes the few days or weeks to train all those phrases, and then that you can help them to understand why we use such sort of things, especially that when we think of the national festivals, religious festivals, otherwise the serenity meditation, or the certain Buddhist, the philosophical things, that when we give them, more simplifications are required. Otherwise that they can't follow. I think that must be the drawback we could see in some places, still that they couldn't understand that how to train their students. The next thing is here. I also experienced this in our Facebook, that we could see that some sophisticated monks that who preach Dhamma in English, that we shared all those videos in those groups as a model that we can provide to our students just to see what is going on there, and the way they preach, the stance and everything could be seen very well, and they will be able to reorganize everything. In such sort of things, the feedback can be given by the teachers. Otherwise, instantly that you can't adjust all those students to preach Dhamma at least 5 minutes. It is very difficult. That we expected at least in 7 minutes in primary classes, like that. For the upper classes also, that later they will be able to speak more than 20 minutes. But at the very beginning, you must think more practical ways. Practical ways, the lecturing methods, and then they reminds the certain things are not necessary. 100% that you try to be practical. Practical means at the very beginning also that we will have to speak in English to get them spoken. Otherwise, they never motivate to use the language properly. That's why I use, when we get certain things, the text first that you give, the difficult words as the vocabulary, that you practice them, and the key words and the phrases can be given first. Then idea also, sometimes that must be a Buddhist version, otherwise any other different recitation. Then you must mention the meaning simply. With the meaning, ask them to practice it in a certain way. But however, that I anticipate that you will send me all those uh, well arranged, the well finished video clips to share among these groups, that the way of preaching Dhamma by our student monks. That's also that we have given you nearly to 3 or 4 months to complete this task. Then this is the end of the year, the December. Before the December, that I kindly request you to send the such sort of video clips that you have made with your students into the WhatsApp group, and uh, it will be able to follow any other weak students also, that will be able to get to know how to do such sort of things regularly. The first, that you take the similar videos from YouTube or any other ways and share just as models. With that videos, that you will be able to ask your students to follow the same thing well. Then I think it is enough today related to this matter, and that I am willing to see that your creations near future.